UMP Katura baru MLA berim na kembekre Saleng Sangma wala penrem jore ki MLA ke National People's Party NPP ki bala kamba ka kembekre Constituency kedai ke badang sadin halor ki kampen roy na kaliang Jong ula kentu kela ya kini ki MLA bakin penlik jumut ya la ki Jong Constituency ta ke Kdew bakila don hapok ke sarkar menta la andrusnam.
Now you see, in some part of my constituency, I had been there for 15 years, and after delimitation, in some part which I got it after 10 years. That means in some part I'm 10 years, in some part I'm 15 years. Total my whole tenure in my constituency is 15 years. In the last 1 year, I was campaigning thoroughly only for the MP election. That's why even on that time also, I was trying hard to at least give something for my people, do something for my people. Okay, whichever I could not do. Now, for example, when they're saying these things, especially in this monsoon season, which are the area where they can to and fro from every nook and corner in the constituency? Tell me, do you think Rakam's constituency can be like that? Do you think, in Reshu? Do you think in Silsila? Do you think about the Ramsa Kona? These are the areas where, there is a ruling MLA. But my constituency is not ruling MLA. And then moreover, I had been once in the opposition, as an independent for whole 5 years. But at that time also I did lots of things for my people. Now, for example, when I stood first for an election, I could not drive my vehicle to any villages, maximum of the villages. Now, you go anywhere, you can fly through that road with any kinds of vehicle. So, what that means, tell me. And then moreover, in my constituency, I've got agriculture marketing, I've got International Pinemont International School, I've got residential school, I've got CAC, which I just got it also. Now Eclabier School is also on the way. And then moreover, lots of other developmental things has happened. I've got, even the dispensary for the livestock from the age veterinary, like that, And then moreover, there were more than 200 numbers of timber bridges in my constituency. But now, you won't see even a single timber bridge in my constituency. Not only that one, a new road has already come up in my constituency. Now, when you are trying to complain and then play politics about my constituency, look at the constituency who is been ruling their constituency, from the day one as a ruling. Just check their constituency first, and then reflect mine. Then speak wisely. You got me? And they're talking about the, employment. Now, lots of educated unemployed youths are increasing every now and then. In whose constituency? Look at those things. When I became the first MLA in my constituency, there were merely few graduates in my constituency. Okay, in 2009-10, just to push our people to apply for that teachers, we were searching for all those graduates from my constituency to push them to apply also. But we could not find in 2008 and 9. Now lots of graduate has come up from my constituency. So look at the education system, how we have some plunge from nothing to somewhere. You got my point? And then we have created lots of communications through different departments. There was nothing. You could have imagined, whenever I give lecture in my constituency, I used to compare from that Noah's time. From the day of Noah, there was not even a single blacktop in my constituency. Now, how they are supposed to tell me that? You see, that constituency belonged to P.A. Sangma's own brother-in-law, Admiral K. Sangma. At that time, there was not, there was only very one or two blacktop. Now more than hundreds of blacktop you can see now. At that time, not only Admiral was a minister, even P.A. Sangma was a minister, union minister. Remember? Huh? P.A. Sangma was a union minister, and Admiral K. Sangma was a minister in state. So, how do you imply those things? When the road connectivity was not there, just after me only, the road connectivity, and the thoroughfare can be seen right now. Otherwise, during the monsoon season, no marketing could have been seen. Now, any market, it's growing also. Any market will never be stopped also, even during the, heartful rain season. So what does that imply? Critics will come in, but they should see the reality, and they should see the real picture, what was and what is right now.